It's October 8th, 2023. There are more saffron sprouts now. You can see it's over this one of the saffron pots. And here's the bigger saffron pot. You can see a lot more saffron, and these ones that we saw last week are getting quite big. Hopefully we'll get a lot of flowers this year. Grape hyacinth have also started sprouting. And here's the pineapple. You can see it's sending out another new growth. This is the second new growth from the pineapple plant after the flower stalk snapped. Here are the orchids. The odontocidium flowers are forming very nicely. You can kind of already see the flower petals pattern from just the flower buds. And over here's the lady's slipper orchid. This flower has not faded yet. And here's one of the flower that I showed you last week. And guess what? It's also sending out another flower. So we're very lucky this year. We're getting 3 lady's slipper orchid flower in a row.